How to connect TikTok shop with CJ Dropshipping. Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to establish a connection with your TikTok shop from CJ Dropshipping. Now, why would someone want to connect CJ Dropshipping or rather your TikTok shop with CJ Dropshipping? Now, if you don't know, CJ Dropshipping, already with the name, with their platform, is a great platform to dropship different products from. Because of their cheap prices and their bulk orders, you will be able to establish a really great store in TikTok shop with a lot of products to be sold on. CJ Dropshipping has all sorts of products and all sorts of potential to make your TikTok shop an amazing TikTok shop wherein you will be able to gain a lot of sales because of the availability and the different range of products that you're going to sell in TikTok shop with the help of CJ Dropshipping. And so our focus for today's video is to show you how you will be able to connect these two platforms. Now, fortunately, there is an established connection between the two of them. So there is no need to create a manual and difficult process just to connect these two platforms. In TikTok shop, you could go here in your apps and services and explore their app store. If you click on their app store, this is basically a place where you could install different features into your TikTok shop. Additional features that could either improve your quality with your experience in TikTok shop or add additional features that would allow you to perform more activities and perform integration with different platforms. So over here, you have all sorts of applications. And if you look over here on the left side, you can see that there are popular platforms that you can check out. As you can see here, there's all sorts of platforms. Now, you might notice that CJ Dropshipping is not part of these. So if you search CJ Dropshipping, there we go, click on that, you will still be able to see app-related or a related app in TikTok shop that is specifically for CJ Dropshipping that would allow us some connection or integration. And the key features is, as you can see here, we will be able to source products of high quality with low cost. Like I mentioned earlier, that there is a lower price range in CJ Dropshipping, specifically for bulk orders. You're also able to have multiple payment methods, which is really great. They include PayPal, credit cards, WeChat, and many more. And there's also 24-hour support for your concerns if ever you have some issues with CJ Dropshipping. Now, in CJ Dropshipping side, you can also connect it through this side as well, and not just with TikTok shop side. So inside CJ Dropshipping, you could find out that you are able to connect your TikTok shop by looking over here on the left side. And if you look for the store with a check mark over here, you will be able to see this pop up of the different platforms that you could actually connect CJ Dropshipping to. And as you can notice, one of those options is TikTok shop, and there's also, of course, TikTok shop US, which was the first version that was allowed in CJ Dropshipping. Before, you could only connect with the TikTok shop US, meaning only TikTok shop created in the US area can connect CJ Dropshipping to their TikTok shop. But right now, it is now officially available for any version or for any TikTok shop from any location. So we have our TikTok shop over here. As you can notice as well, there are multiple other platforms available for connection to CJ Dropshipping. So if you're considering also selling on other platforms and not just TikTok, you have options to sell on Shopify, eBay, Wix, Lazada, AliExpress, and many more. Most of these platforms are really well known and can garner a lot of attention or like traffic with your product. So let's simply proceed and click on TikTok shop. Now, we will authorize a connection between TikTok and our CJ Dropshipping over here. Now, right now, I don't have any authorized stores yet. So to be able to add your TikTok shop into their store list, simply click on Add Store. And it will give you a note over here and instruction on what you need to do. So as you can see, for TikTok stores, you would need to list product from the TikTok section on the homepage due to the limitation set by TikTok platform. And there's also requirements over here specifically for your warehouse in your TikTok management platform. So over here in TikTok, you're going to look for the warehouse management. I think it is in the account settings, as you can see, and you can check out warehouse settings over here. What the warehouse settings is for is that it will show you, or you will be able to input where the products will be picked up from and where the warehouse is. So if we're going to have a dropshipping platform, of course, the warehouse is no longer your place, because in dropshipping, you are not the one having or holding the inventory. So what we're going to do is, and what CJ Dropshipping requires us to do, is to set them as the shipping and return warehouse for your TikTok platform, as you can see here. So simply look for your warehouse settings and configure your warehouse, inventory storage, and shipping and return preferences. And these are the different information that you need to put. You have your warehouse name, you have CJ Dropshipping, contact person, this one, phone number, and all those things. And you need to set that up, because if you don't, you will have issues with, of course, the picking up of the product. You might wonder one day that you successfully set everything up and you imported product from CJ Dropshipping, but then you are wondering why people are picking or trying to pick up a product at your location. That would mean you did not set up your warehouse settings. So after that, simply click on OK, and we will be able to proceed to the next step. Now, the next step is basically very simple. Simply select the country that you are selling or where your seller account is. For us, it's in the Philippines. And let's wait for a few seconds over here. You will be redirected back to the TikTok Shop App Center. And as you can notice, this is the same CJ Dropshipping app that we checked out earlier. So now, simply select the target shop, the renew option over here, reauthorize, and simply click on confirm to install. Here we go. And basically, you're going to authorize, as you can see here, you're going to authorize the installation of this CJ Dropshipping into your TikTok shop. Click on there, and as you can see, authorize. Then you will be asked to please log into the app. But for me, there is an issue with this account. I have yet to put in the TIN number or the tax return number in my TikTok shop. So the connection will have some issues, as you can see here. An error has occurred and I was not able to authorize it. So when setting up your TikTok shop, make sure that everything is authorized or rather validated already, such as your TIN number and all of those things. So simply follow those process. If you repeat the process that we have done, you will be successfully be able to connect it, just like that. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.